Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? That is an inquiry that many individuals are posing to themselves as this new digital money begins to acquire consideration. In this video, we've assembled an examination of the Dogelon Mars cost forecast. We will likewise examine the specialized highlights of this coin and tell you the best way to get it. How about we go? As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars is $0 and elon is by and by position no. 161 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Dogelon Mars is $193,669,241.73, with a market cap of 549,652,770,159,583 elon. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, elon has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 0.73%. Dogelon Mars has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of elon has expanded by 18.47%, adding a monster normal measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogelon Mars costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogelon Mars will be $0. The greatest level that the elon cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Elon value gauge for February 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical elon pace of $0 February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. Walk 2023. Dogelon Mars value figure digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the elon cost in Walk 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogelon Mars may be around $0. Elon value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Dogelon Mars in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal elon rate they anticipate may be around $0 April 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. May 2023. Dogelon Mars value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The elon cost will be exchanged at $0. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogelon Mars worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 May 2023. Elon value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Dogelon Mars costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $0. The most reduced and top elon rates may be $0. July 2023. Dogelon Mars value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the elon cost will be around $0. In July 2023, the Dogelon Mars cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 July 2023. Elon value conjecture for August 2023. Having broke down Dogelon Mars costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the elon rate could arrive at a limit of $0 August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Dogelon Mars is almost $0. September 2023. Dogelon Mars value estimate around mid-2023. The Dogelon Mars cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the elon cost could change somewhere in the range of $0. Elon value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Dogelon Mars worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. November 2023. Dogelon Mars value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of elon costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Dogelon Mars will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0. Elon value gauge for December 2023. In view of the value changes of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical elon pace of $0 December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogelon Mars in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Dogelon Mars will be around $0. The greatest expected ELON cost might be around $0. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogelon Mars in 2025, ELON is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Dogelon Mars and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base ELON cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Dogelon Mars by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ELON costs are normal in 2027, $0. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Dogelon Mars. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical ELON cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0. However, it actually could reach $0 through 2028. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan gauges at the cost of Dogelon Mars. It is assessed that ELON will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2030 not entirely settled by the greatest ELON cost of $0. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Dogelon Mars cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ELON cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for no less than $0, with the conceivable greatest tops at $0. By and large, you can anticipate that the ELON cost should be around $0 2031. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2032. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2032 not set in stone by the greatest ELON cost of $0. In any case, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Will Dogelon Mars get more expensive? It is hard to foresee the future cost of any digital money. However, Dogelon Mars has a great deal of potential. It is presently exchanging at $0. Will Dogelon Mars go to Coinbase? This isn't known right now. Coinbase has not recorded Dogelon Mars on their trade at this point. Is Dogelon Mars coin a wise venture? Digital forms of money are extremely unstable and costs can go up or down quickly. Dogelon Mars has a great deal of potential. However, it is likewise a more hazardous venture.